Let me guess. You've watched the tier list, the 5 best AI businesses ranked. You've probably got a playlist somewhere called AI Business Ideas with 20 videos in it that you're never gonna open again. And you still haven't made any meaningful money from any of it. Now, I've been on this platform for almost 10 years. I've built businesses that have made me tens of millions online across multiple different models. And I can tell you with complete confidence that you could delete every guru off the internet tomorrow, and you'd still know enough to get going right now. You haven't got an idea problem, you've got a belief problem. And before you go anywhere, hear me out on this. Because AI is the biggest wealth opportunity you and I will probably ever see, and I mean that. It's bigger than the wave that made me my first million. So yes, this video is about how you get insanely rich with AI. I'm gonna show you where the money actually sits, the mistakes that stop people reaching it, and the one shift that separates the people who cash in on a gold rush from the people who just watch videos about one. Now, by the end of this video, you're going to be better equipped to take this opportunity than almost anyone else watching this stuff every day. So let's talk about what's actually going on here, because I find this genuinely fascinating. Psychologists have pulled nearly 700 studies on procrastination. 700. And the strongest predictor that came out of all of that research wasn't laziness or bad time management. It was a low belief in your own ability. Just sit with that for a second. You're not stuck because you're lazy. You are stuck because somewhere along the way, you stopped believing that you could actually pull this off. And the research goes further. When we put something off, we're not avoiding the work, we're avoiding a feeling, the doubt, the fear that you'll try it and it won't work, and then you'll have to sit with that emotion. And so what do we do instead? Well, we watch another video, because watching a video about starting a business feels like work. It looks like work, and so our brain files it under progression, but it's avoidance. The most comfortable form of avoidance ever invented. Watching AI money content is the new doom scrolling. And it gets worse, because every one of those videos agrees with each other. I've watched them myself. The tier lists all crown the same winner. Sell an AI service to businesses, use AI to deliver it, and then get paid monthly. And they're actually right. By the way, that model works. I run it at scale at over 350K a month right now, and businesses everywhere are desperate for somebody to bring in an AI native solution based around an outcome that they can actually measure. The opportunity is not in question. The what is already settled. There is no missing piece of information. If information was going to fix this, it would have already fixed you already, wouldn't it? Now, about 50 years ago, a psychologist at Stanford called Albert Bandura worked out where belief in your own ability actually comes from. And there's 4 specific sources. And the one that everyone's relying on, which is someone on the internet just telling you you can do it, is scientifically the weakest of the 4. Bandura's own finding was that belief built that way collapses the moment you hit your first setback. Which means every motivational video that you've ever watched, mine included, was never actually going to get you started. It can't. It's the wrong tool. But 2 of those 4 sources actually work. And they're the whole reason that I'm making this video today. I'm going to come back to them in a minute. But first I want to tell you why I am so confident about all of this, because this is the exact film that has already played out before. When I started out in 2017, the opportunity was social media marketing, running Facebook ads for local businesses. And then the pattern back then was completely identical to everything that is happening with AI right now. Everybody knew that it was a massive opportunity. There were videos about it everywhere, and almost nobody actually started. People watched, they saved, they researched, and they told themselves that they were going to start next month. And I know that because I was there. I was thousands in debt, starting an agency whilst most people around me were stuck watching videos on them. And you know what actually got people moving in that era? It wasn't an explanation of Facebook ads. It was watching ordinary people do it. The moment you saw someone your age, with your budget, showing real client calls with real invoices on camera, something changed in your head. It stopped being an idea and it became a thing that people just like you do. That's how I felt. And AI right now is 2017 all over again. except this window I genuinely believe is much bigger. Back then, we were selling one service to businesses, which was marketing. Yet AI touches every job a business pays wages for right now, answering phones, chasing leads, writing quotes, running admin, making money. I've never seen a window quite like it. And I was stood in the middle of the last one with social media marketing. So with this in mind, a while back, I did something on this channel that nobody had done before at the time. I started a new business from scratch, on camera, and I documented the whole thing. Every single step, nothing hidden off screen, and the first video of that series alone did over 850,000 views. And to this day, people still message me saying that video, that series, was a thing that finally made them start, because they got to watch it happen in real time. And you know what? I've been thinking about this for months, and so I'm gonna say it today. If enough of you want it, I will do that again, but for AI this time. A brand new business from zero, built in front of you. Every single step I will document on camera. It's a stupid amount of work, especially whilst trying to juggle an existing business, which is why I need to know from you that you actually want it before I commit the time to it. So if you do, comment on this video, let me know you want it, and also let me know what you're working towards right now. And if enough of you comment, I will make it happen. Okay, back to the point, because there's a second half to this problem today. Whilst belief is the problem that kills most people off, some actually do start, and most of them still get it wrong in 3 different ways. The first, they sell AI. They contact business owners and they say, I build AI agents, I do automations, I can bring AI into your business. And the business owner's eyes, they glaze over because no plumber on earth woke up this morning wanting an AI agent. Most plumbers don't even have a decent website. He wants his phone answered, he wants his diary full, he wants to stop losing jobs to the bloke down the road who calls leads back within 5 minutes. Sell him that. The AI is just how you deliver it. And honestly, he doesn't care whether it's AI or a hamster on a wheel, as long as the diary fills up. Now, mistake 2 is they solve problems that businesses won't properly pay for. There's a rule that I've used for 8 years, and it's the closer your work sits to money coming into the business, the more you will actually get paid. So help a business get customers or close sales or keep their clients, and you're not a cost anymore. You're a money printer or a money saver. And $1,000 or $2,000 a month now feels cheap to them. Now, if you just automate some admin tasks, and you'll be haggling over $200, $300 a month, and it'll cost you the same effort, but you'll have a completely different business. Mistake number 3, and this is the one that connects back everything I've discussed so far, they quit before proof compounds. Your first client is the hardest. And it won't be easy, that's the truth. And it's also the least profitable. But every client after that gets easier and easier. Yet people take that first swing, it doesn't land within 2 weeks, and the doubt goes, see, I told you so. And then they go back to binge watching YouTube content. But results compound in this game. There's a guy I know called Nico. He started an AI service business called Dentology. It took him almost a year of grinding to get to 7.5 grand a month. Almost 12 months. And then 4 months later, he was at 50 grand a month. Less than a year on, 150K a month. That's almost $1.5 million a year. And most people quit at the point just before he took off. In fact, if he had access to all of the AI tools that we now have when he first started, I have no doubts that he would have got there much faster. And so the question was never another business model or a different offer. What matters is whether you can hold on through the flat bit at the start, through the boring bit. And that's where it comes straight back to belief. So let me tell you how belief actually gets built. This is the part that nobody talks about. Remember Bandura, the Stanford psychologist? In the late 60s, he ran a study with people who had severe snake phobias. Not some mild fear, like these were people whose lives were being wrecked by it. People who had given up on hiking, camping, gardening. Like one man shot himself in the leg trying to kill a harmless snake. Now Bandura didn't give them information about snakes, no lecture about how snakes are more scared of you than you are of them. He had them watch one person handle a snake, calmly, step by step, and then he guided them to copy them. One small step at a time, at their own pace, touch the glass first, and then stand a bit closer. Then eventually touch the snake with a gloved hand. These are lifelong phobias. They were gone within a few sessions. People who could not stand being in the same room as a snake ended up letting one crawl across their arm. And the maddest part is in the follow-ups. These people reported that they'd gone home and started fixing unrelated parts of their life, things that they had avoided for years. Because once you've watched your own doubt get proven wrong once, it never carries the same weight again. Watch it done by someone else, and then do it yourself. That's the entire mechanism. And those are the two strongest sources of belief that I mentioned earlier, by the way. Seeing someone like you do the thing, and then doing it yourself. Everything else is just noise. I wanted to be a business owner for years before I actually started in 2017. I legit procrastinated on it for 5 years beforehand, until I got a call one evening after work from an old friend. Shout out Johnny, who used to work for me at a sales job. Now he said to me that he started an online business and he had his first few clients and that it was something that I should try. And after that call, it was like a light bulb just turned on in my brain. I went from waking up at 8 AM, barely scraping it to work for 9 every morning, drinking every weekend, to waking up at 5 AM, working for a few hours, coming home, working until I slept, and I signed my first client in 2 weeks. I quit my job, and then I hit 10K a month 90 days later. I procrastinated for years, but it took me seeing someone else doing it, who I perceived to be the same as me, for me to actually believe in myself enough to take the first step. Right now, you're probably comparing your day one to someone else's year 5. You're looking at the 100K a month guys thinking, I want to be like him or her, and every time that you do, that gap feels bigger and the doubt just gets stronger. The summit is real, don't get me wrong, there are people making a lot of money at the top, but belief doesn't come from staring at the top of the mountain. The science is clear that it works the other way around. Belief follows evidence, and so we act first, and then belief will come later. So the question is never, how do I get to 100K a month? The question is, what's the first step that I can take today that I can't fail at? Something as small as sending one message to one local business that you reckon you could help. Take that step, and then you've got something that no other video can give you. You've got evidence, and evidence becomes belief, and belief buys the next step. And that's the flywheel. You've already done this before, by the way. Think about when you were learning to drive. The first lesson, you're gripping the wheel like it owes you money. You're stalling, you're convinced that you're never gonna get it. And then a couple of months later, you're driving, holding a full conversation, not a single thought about the pedals. Nobody motivated you to do that. You just built it one small session at a time. Confidence is just evidence accumulated. So don't starve yourself of the opportunity in front of you right now. Commit this next month to putting one foot in front of the other, one step at a time. And if you're new here, I put out videos every week on building real businesses with AI. So subscribe and turn your notification bell on. And you'll want them on because next week I'm going to show you the exact AI offers that are selling to businesses right now with proof of people actually doing it. The service, what they charge, and the steps to make it happen for yourself. So once and for all, you can pick one option and actually stick with it. And remember what I said earlier, by the way, I will start an AI business from absolute zero on camera and prove every single word of this video again. But only if enough of you tell me you want it. So drop a comment on this video and let me know if that would help you. I'll see you next week. Cheers.